Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Watch Collector. My name is Raghav, and today we have a James Bond special. Today we have got an absolute icon in the world of horology, the Hamilton PSR. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and begin the unboxing. PSR is the modern reissue of the Hamilton Pulsar, the world's first digital watch, which launched in 1970. This is the watch that completely changed how we tell time. So much so that it even graced the wrist of none other than James Bond in lemon lead tie. Yes, Sir Roger Moore himself wore the Pulsar during his iconic role as 007. So here is the box, guys, and it has got the Hamilton branding on it. Let's take the lid off it now. Inside this black box, we have another wooden box. So let's take out the wooden box and keep it aside and have a look at the paperwork. So here are the documentations. Firstly, we have the international warranty card. Hamilton provides 2 years of warranty on their watches. Next, we have the user manual in different languages. Then we have the Hamilton PSR information booklet. The booklet has beautiful pictures and some great information about the watch itself, such as the Hamilton PSR is the first digital watch, and the Hamilton PSR is one of the only watches in the world with hybrid display technology. Lastly, we have the international warranty booklet, which tells us about how we can avail the international warranty. And finally, we have the main box here. As always, Hamilton's packaging is sleek and premium. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see how the watch looks like. And here's the watch, guys, in all its glory. The Hamilton PSR in stainless steel. A direct nod to the past with just the right amount of modern enhancements. This version we have here is in polished stainless steel, giving it that striking futuristic look. The original Pulsar from the 70s was revolutionary, not only because of its digital display, but because it was the first watch to combine fashion with cutting-edge technology. And the PSR stays true to that vision. The watch is priced at £725 GBP in the UK, which I believe is a fair price point for the watch. The PSR's case is made from stainless steel, which is highly durable and corrosion resistant. It's composed of steel mixed with chromium, and one of the great things about stainless steel is its ability to resist tarnish and rust. This is especially important for watches as they are exposed to various elements. The PSR's case has a beautiful brushed and polished finish, which gives it a premium, almost jewelry-like appearance. Protecting the display is a flat sapphire crystal. Now, sapphire crystal is one of the most scratch-resistant materials in the watch world, second only to diamonds. This means that whether you are wearing this watch every day or keeping it as a collector's piece, the crystal will stay in top condition. It's one of the reasons why luxury watches use sapphire. It's durable, tough, and maintains that crystal clear view of the dial. Size-wise, the case measures 40.8 mm by 34.7 mm. And while that might sound a little large, the cushion-shaped design sits very comfortably on the wrist. Thanks to the shorter lug-to-lug distance, it weighs smaller than the dimensions might suggest. For those with a medium to smaller wrist, you will still find this very wearable. It's a watch that makes a statement without feeling bulky. Pulsar watches were originally made by the Hamilton Company, but later on, Seiko purchased the Pulsar brand in 1979. So, to give tribute to the original Pulsar watch, Hamilton engraved this Pulsar star at the back case of this watch, as the name Pulsar is now owned by Seiko. The watch comes fitted with an integrated stainless steel bracelet, which matches the case perfectly in both style and comfort. The butterfly clasp is solid with a satisfying click when fastened. Everything about this watch feels well built and designed for longevity. Now, let's talk about the heart of the PSR, its hybrid display. What you're looking at is a reflective LCD, but press this button right here and you get this striking red OLED display lighting up, just like the original Pulsar from the 1970s. Back then, it was the first watch ever to use LED technology. The display is highly legible in all conditions, and you can't help but appreciate the nostalgic nod to the 70s. You can imagine how futuristic this must have looked when it first came out. Astronauts and tech enthusiasts alike were lining up to get their hands on one of these. One of the practical features that make the PSR suitable for everyday use is its water resistance. This watch is water resistant up to 100 meters or 10 bars, which means you can confidently wear it while swimming. At 328 feet, this is more than enough for most day-to-day activities involving water, so it's versatile as well as stylish. Powering the PSR is a quartz movement, and if you know anything about quartz, you know it's incredibly accurate. So, who is the Hamilton PSR for? Honestly, I think this watch appeals to both watch collectors and tech enthusiasts alike. If you are someone who appreciates the history of horology, the PSR is a must-have, and especially for those who are James Bond fan, just like me. It's an icon that revolutionized the way we tell time. Considering its historical significance and build quality, is great value. You are getting a robust, stylish, and historically important piece of horological history that you can wear every day. After all, it was the watch that graced James Bond's wrist. It's more than just a watch, it's a conversation starter. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more watch content. And let me know in the comments what you think about the Hamilton PSR. This is Raghav, signing out from The Watch Collector. Until next time, keep ticking.